Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to add a column in pivot table having complex calculation of formula. In this example we have bill amount data, and the pivot table summarizes the bill amount for individual person. To calculate the tax value as per the given conditions, we can add formula within the pivot table. Select any field in the pivot table, go to the Analyze option and click on Fields, Item and Sets option. Select Calculated Field. In the name field, add the field name text, and in the formula field, type if statement. If, open bracket, the first condition is if bill amount is less than 5,000, tax value will be 0, comma. The second condition is if bill amount is less than 10,000, the tax amount will be 10% of bill amount. And as per the third condition, if bill amount is greater than 10,000, the tax value will be 20% of bill amount. Close all the three if statements. Click on Add button. Click OK, and the text is added in the pivot table. Using these simple steps, you can make your pivot table more powerful by adding columns having complex formula in your pivot table. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notifications on time. Thanks for watching.